Machine tools are the foundation of precision manufacturing, enabling the production of high-quality components across industries such as automotive, aerospace, defense, electronics, medical devices, and industrial engineering. Manufacturing machine tools demands exceptional accuracy, efficient production planning, stringent quality control, and complete operational visibility. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of machine tool manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and business performance. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From engineering and bill of materials to procurement, production planning, machining, fabrication, assembly, quality inspection, inventory management, testing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility throughout the manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning helps manufacturers optimize machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material availability while efficiently managing multiple production orders and custom machine builds. Real-time monitoring enables teams to track work orders, production progress, inventory movement, and resource utilization, helping reduce bottlenecks, improve productivity,